Hey, Lynette here, and today we are going to be unboxing a ton of boxes today, but right now if you're looking at the title, we're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, so welcome back. As you can see, again, I have a ton of boxes to unbox, so definitely make sure that you like and subscribe if you love subscription boxes, if you love spoilers, if you love reviews. Definitely make sure, because we have a ton to go through and that we're sharing with you. And if you haven't, before I get into this one, if you haven't watched my video on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers for October, definitely check that out. It's in the description box below. So that is that. So I kind of have an idea of what's coming in next month, but we digress. I'm gonna keep that a secret. If you are excited about next month, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you don't want to know, don't watch the video at all. Totally fast forward this part, and the video starts right now at 1 minute and 3 seconds. All right, so Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a monthly subscription where you get 5 full-size products. Next month, I know there's major changes with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but the cool thing about it is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the price stays the same, and now it's coming with a makeup bag. So I am definitely excited about that one, because that was the reason why I was kind of keeping the Ipsy Glam Bag. Not too sure, but next month I think I want to, because I know what the spoilers are for next month. So I think I want it just because of the bag, but we will see. We'll see what I do next month. Anyway, so we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus here. So let's get into the box and see what actually came in this month for September. So with every box you get here, it says Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So that's what it says, and it always has a cover here, so it's covered up. And of course, those are the products that I have there, so they're snuggled up there. We're gonna put that down so that you can get surprised, just like I am not, because I've seen my spoilers. I can't stay away from them. I have an addiction problem, but we digress. We won't talk about that. All right, so I'm gonna leave the box closed so we can kind of be surprised and see what comes out of the box. So let's see. The very first item I have here, let me see what this is. I just want to make sure. I think this is a, okay, so this worked out perfectly. This is not a part of my Ipsy bag. This was actually, and this is from Apto Skincare. This is a pomegranate mask. Let me just make sure. Hold on 1 second. Oh no, this is a part of it. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, so this is a part of my bag. Sorry, see, I got issues. So this is from Apto Skincare. This is pomegranate mask. Let me see, all skin types. So this is just a pomegranate mask. If you know anything about me, you guys know I love masks, sheet mask, pomegranate mask. I don't care. I am a mask queen here, so I try to do them every other day if I can, at least if it's busy, at least once a week. So that is what this is. So let me see. This one says, so let me see. Let me take it out of the package so you guys can take a look at it as well. So this is from Apto Mask Grenade. I guess that's in another language. So that is what that is here, so you guys can take a look. Okay, so this one says, backed by top aestheticians, excuse me, Apto removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas, like this soothing antioxidant rich mask. Let me see, acid gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate and green tea helps calm inflammations and restore balance. This one has a retail value of $36. One tip: in need of post-sun repair, apply a thin layer to overexposed skin and let it sit for 10 minutes before it dries down. Gently rinse and follow with a moisturizer. So I will definitely try that. Let me see if it has like a scent to it. Obviously it should be pomegranate since that's in the title, but we never know. Let me see. It does have a light scent, not too crazy. I know with some masks, they can be a little bit strong, but this one is not. Let me see if it has any cruelty free. I see that, and that is that. So this is 2 fluid ounces. So this is a lot. You don't need a lot to put into masks at all on your face. So I don't use a lot anyway, so because I use them so often. So that is that, $36, and that's kind of crazy that it's so much. But I guess if you look it up on their store, maybe it's that much. All right, so the next item I have here, this is from Ipsy. So you guys can see that there, and this is Antimatter Lipstick in Midnight. So I have seen other unboxings with Ipsy, and I know people are, oh, this is not that one. We digress. All right, so that's what it looks like there. I thought it was like that magnet where it pops back over, but it's not, so that's my mistake. That's what the color is, so you guys can see that there. And then let us do a swatch. So disregard this. I just did an Ipsy Glam Bag. So let me do it on the other side there so you guys can see that. And I'm not gonna put it on because I already put on from my Ipsy bag. So we're gonna keep that there. So that's the color. It's really pretty. So I am definitely digging that. That's not bad at all. I would wear that actually. So let me take a look here and let's see. So Ipsy, these beloved Brit pure rose of cruelty pure, I don't even know what that says, sorry, of cruelty-free beauty, no thing or two about being bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick is a universally flattering classic red, swipes on with an immediate color payoff. In vitamin E infused formula, conditions lips for a creamy application. And I do have to say it was creamy, so it's not, the finish seems to be a little matte, but it is creamy, so it's not like that drying matte, which I don't like anyway. So let me see. Tip for a flawless application: exfoliate lips, gently rub in a bit of a balm, and then apply lipstick straight from the bullet. So that is that, and this has a retail value of $27. So that is that. And then the next item here I have here is from Glam Glow. And if you guys know anything about me, I totally love skincare. So I will take, and I actually needed a cleanser. So this one is, let me see, 5 fluid ounces. This is topical cleanse, daily exfoliation cleanser. So I definitely needed a new cleanser. So that's what that looks like. You see, it's fairly big, so I will move that there so you guys don't get blinded by the light. So this one says this is a retail value of $34. This is formulated with ultra refreshing teoxy green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai. This exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined glowing complexion. A tip: gentle enough for everyday use. Apply this cleanser to a wet face, lightly massage in an even circular motion, rinse and pat dry, which we know what to do with the cleanser, but you never know. I'm just sharing the love of the instructions. So that is that, and like I said, it's fairly it's a decent size for a cleanser. So that is that. And let me see what else we have here. Okay, so the next thing I have here is from Ciate London. Let's see if we can get that to focus. There you go. That's the box. That's what the box looks like. And this is Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I've never used a translucent powder. I'm gonna see if it can, there you go. It's a pretty box. I kind of wanted you guys to take a look. I've never used that before. Maybe I should. I know it takes away the shine from your face, but let me see what the box, what the product looked like here. It's really pretty packaging. So you guys can see my setup there, but that's what that looks like there. I know you see my phone, but that's what that looks like. And then, excuse me, and then it has the translucent powder inside where you can shake it and, stop looking at me, translucent powder. Okay, or camera. That's what that looks like, and it has like little holes in here so you can use your brush and just do it. So this is really, this is white basically. So I don't know how that works, but it's translucent powder, so should not have a color to it. So we will see what happens with that. Let me put this back in here so we can talk more about this. This one is, let me see, this is $22. So that's what this one is. Let's see. There you go. All right, so this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula driven innovators, Swatches London, is a finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks in your look all day, which is truly extraordinary. Tip to bake and set areas with a concealer. Pack on generous amount of this translucent powder all over your face. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes before sweeping off the excess. So like I said, I'm excited to try this. That's the purpose of these beauty subscriptions, is so you can try new products. I have 0 translucent powder in my makeup drawer, I guess you can say. So I definitely will give that a try and see how that works. And then the very last but not least, excuse me, is from Madison Miller, Miller Squad Midi Palette Miller Squad. So it's in the packaging here, so you guys can see that. It's pretty packaging. And then this is obviously a mini palette. Let me see if we can get this one open. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, so this is actually a combination of, and the palette packaging is really pretty. Okay, so this is from Ofra Cosmetics with Madison Miller Squad palette. Definitely need some water before the next video. That's how many videos I've done. All right, so this is, there you go. So this is, let me see how it looks here before, since this is the last product. I'll do a swatch so that you guys can take a look and see. So this is basically highlighter brush and highlighters. So I'll show you guys what that looks like before I read more. I'm gonna put this upside down. So that's what it looks like, the colors. They're really pretty, so I don't mind that. These are the colors. Obviously it's a highlighter. The one in the middle is the blush. So that's what that looks like there. And then it says, multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab with Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller. A new mama is all about that to-go glow. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend. This rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Made with the most from your palette by dipping a wet brush into pigments to use as an eyeshadow. So I like it. I love the colors. And if you're a mom, you probably are like me. The fastest way that you can get out your house looking decent, you can take any help that you can, right? So I am definitely excited about all of these products. So let's do a recap really quick so you guys can see if this box was worth it. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below to you if this was worth it. To me, it was, because I had 0 of these products. So for me, it was worth it. Okay, so the first thing we have here is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's Madison Miller, the Midi palette. And then we have here Apto Skincare. This was the pomegranate mask. If you don't like masks, you probably won't get value from that. I love masks, but I let Ipsy know that I do. And then we have this from Swatches London, the translucent powder. We have from Ilamesqua, we have that red lipstick. And then we have from Glam Glow, we have that super awesome I Need It cleanser. So what did you think about this month? Was it worth it? For me, it was, because these were actually products that I actually needed. So I don't know, it was worth it for me. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys got any of these similar products at all. Let me know what you think about them. Please let me know. And again, if you love spoilers or videos or subscription boxes like this, definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.